figure of merit of galvanometer. Merit of galvanometer. Just listen. Aim is to determine the resistance of galvanometer by half deflection method and to find the figure of merit. Here this is a galvanometer. So we have to find the value of resistance of galvanometer by half deflection. Half deflection means here 0 to 10, 20, 30. One side half deflection. Another side same 0, 10, 20, 30. This is a half deflection. So according to the principle, when a coil is carrying current, I is placed in a radial magnetic field, the coil experiences a torque due to which it rotates and this deflection means we have to consider as a theta. Theta is directly proportional to the current through the galvanometer. That is, I is directly proportional to theta, then I is equal to K into theta. So the resistance of galvanometer formula is G is equal to R into S divided by R minus S. Then figure of merit of galvanometer formula is K is equal to E divided by R plus G into theta, where E is a EMF of the cell, R is a resistance of unplugged for a half deflection, and G is a resistance of a galvanometer, and theta is a half of the deflection shows in a galvanometer. This is the experiment. So this is the EMF of the cell. We have to consider this one is the EMF of the cell. This one is a EMF of the cell. This one is a resistance R in a ohm. This one is a high resistance. Because of here 10,000 ohm is a high resistance. This one is a small resistance. We have to consider this one is a S. And this is a galvanometer plug key. We have to consider this one is a K1, this one is a K2. So connection. According to the circuit diagram, here the galvanometer having two ends. So first end having a two wires. We have to connect in the two wires.
So what we have to do here? Calculate the percentage of the colon germination. Colon germination is the percentage calculate करना है.
Two wires and another end have also two wires.
And अब हमें सभी शुरू में वे करने के मालूम है क्या? वही मशीन में वे करेंगे ना? मतलब ज़्यादा करने से तो 10 gram of sucrose.
Here, first EMF of the cell negative terminal is connected with the resistance box, high resistance box. So here mentioned positive, negative. So negative terminal is
10 sucrose and distilled water petri dish cover slip brush needle microscope ये सब ना. Next procedure कैसा करना है? Take 10% of sucrose. Dropper से लेना. Next, on the clean cover slip and dust the colon plate.
is connected with the resistance box R.
ओपन कर सकता. इसके अंदर अगर टच करें तो येलो पाउडर है ना.
You have to connect here or here. Anyone.
अंदर ले लेना. इसके अंदर पाउडर डस्ट करना नहीं. ब्रश से नहीं तो नीडल से स्लाइड कीपर ऐसे डस्ट कर लेना. Then you have to add
here resistance box with the plug key K1.
For 10 minutes.
So one wire is
colon tube को formation कैसा भी क्या है बहुत easy simple है. वैसे भी easy है. अब देखो observation. Colon grains germinate. Colon tube
the resistance
start and you have
with
to
the
count the number of
plug
colon grains.
key K1.
See. Observe this one. ये table observe करो.
And now
Number of
for a galvanometer,
see.
the one wire is connected with the
You have to
K1.
take 3 readings लेना. 3 readings लेना. अब first माइक्रोस्कोप में देखो. माइक्रोस्कोप सेट करना है. माइक्रोस्कोप सेट करे. उसमें दिखता है ना जूम करे बात. ऐसे राउंड दिखे. ऐसे बोले तो बंदे अभी ऐसा सेट करके ऐसा राउंड कभी
K1 की
ऐसा दिखते. तब तो ना ये होता कि हाँ मेरे पास बोला. ऐसा नहीं दिखा आपका 3 पोलर ग्रेन्स में दूसरा स्केल समझा? तो ऐसा दिखा नहीं देखो इसमें ना देखो जर्मिनेट ना दो अब देखो ये ट्यूब जर्मिनेट ना
K1 key and another wire is connected with the K2 key.
अब फर्स्ट में एक तरफ फॉर्म हो रहा है टोटल नंबर ऑफ पोलर ग्रेन्स कैपिटल N पूरा काउंट करो कितना रेडी करो
Yes, the remaining 2 wires are there na for galvanometer. So one wire is connected with the positive of the EMF.
कैपिटल N इसके अंदर कितने जर्मिनेट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 सात जर्मिनेट ट्यूब है सात स्मॉल n जो जर्मिनेट हुआ स्मॉल n जो टोटल है वो कैपिटल N अब उसका एक फार्मूला होता है परसेंटेज ऑफ पोलर जर्मिनेशन स्मॉल n इनटू
Positive terminal.
divided by capital N small n is polar germinated into 100 divided by capital N means total number of polar grains ऐसा तुम्हें 3 रीडिंग्स है अलग-अलग
And another wire is connected with the small resistance. Yes.
बहुत सारे लिखे हैं 1500
And remaining one
for
wire
example
connected with the
total number
plug key K2.
100 जो बदमाश काउंट करेगा स्मॉल n उसमें कितने जर्मिनेट होना काउंट करना नहीं मैं तो भी इनके सेकंड बार नहीं कर दो
So EMF of the cell negative terminal is connected with the resistance R.
कौन सा रेस्टोरेंट
Then another wire is connected. The another end is connected with the plug key K1. Okay. Next galvanometer. Here in a 2 ends are there. We are having a 2 wires. So one wire is connected with the plug key. That end also having another wire that is connected with the plug key K2. So similarly, in 2 wires from another end, the one wire is connected with the positive terminal of the EMF battery and another wire is connected with the small resistance S. The remaining one wire is, the one end is connected with the plug key K2. This is the connection completed. And small resistance. High resistance side is K1. Okay. So K1 closed, K2 open. First, there are first column, second column, third column. First column for a resistance, second column for a theta for a deflection in a division, and third column is a S for theta by 2. First column, second column, third column. So first column, first K1 is closed, K2 opened. So when we have to remove the or unplugging the keys for showing the even deflection in a galvanometer. Even means 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the even numbers na. Here half of deflection means one side deflection will be shows. So when I have to close, now here 0 deflection is there. One time I have to close the K1, then it will shows the half deflection. It's complete. Now I have to removing the some high resistance keys for 10,000. It will goes to a 20. 20 is a even number na. So in a first column we have to write down then 10,000 and second column 20. First column and second column completed. Now we have to go for a K2 key closed. For a third column we have to consider close the key K2. Then automatically it will goes to 0 deflection. Now here third column is a resistance S for theta by 2. Already you got a theta value. Theta value is how much? 20. 20 half is how much? 10. So now we have to removing the or unplugging the keys for a S value. It will be shows a half deflection 10. So I will remove a 100. It will shows a 10. It will not show the 10. So other we have to removing another key. Exact it will shows the 10. Am I right? Then you have to write down the how much key is unplugged in a S resistance box. That is 100 plus here 100. Here 10. 110. We have to write here in the third column 110. This is the first reading completed. Next goes to a second reading. That time we have to removing the K2 key and K1 only closed. Then again you have to remove the some keys. Then it will be shows a half of the even deflections. That is 22. Am I right? 22 is a even number. Then again you have to close the. You have to write how much it will be? 5,000, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9,000 for a 22. Then close the plug key K2. Then again automatically it will show the half of the deflection. Yeah. 22 is half 11. Then 11 will be shows. Once we have to removing the keys for a yes, that one will be similar values, same values. Here 110, you have to write on 110, 110, 110 for a 3 readings also. This is a experiment.
15,500 minus 110, it will got a 15,390. So now we have to dividing 17 lakh 05 000 divided by 15390. It will got a 1110.78. Now third reading is 13,500 into 110 divided by 13,500 minus 110 is equal to 13,500 into 110. That answer is 14,085.
अभी ये करते तो एक ही निकालना और बाद में हम ना यह भी से ये होते तब एक ही डाल लेता है करते तो
110.9 is a 9 ohm 78 ohm. So now answer is 111.2, 1110.7, 110.9. The mean value of that one 0.2, 110.7, 110.9 divided by 3. That is the value is 110.9 ohm. And first one K is equal to E divided by R plus G into theta. E value is a 4 volt, then R value is a 10,000 plus G value is a 111.2 into theta value is a 20 is equal to 4 divided by 10,000 plus 111.2, that is a 10,111.2 into 20. It will goes to then 4 divided by 20,224, that is the answer. 0.4 times 0, 197. Then we have to consider as a 19.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 ampere per division. And similarly second one, K is equal to 4 divided by 15,500 plus 0.7 into theta value is a 14 is equal to 15,500 plus 110.7 into 14. That value is 4 divided by 218549.8. So 4 divided by 218,549.8 is equal to 0.4 times 0, 18, 3. It will goes to 18.3 into 10 to the power minus 6 ampere per division. And third one calculation, K is equal to 4 divided by 13,500 plus 110.9 into 16 is equal to 4 divided by 13,500 plus 110.9 into 16. The value is 2177.4. So 4 divided by 2177.4 is equal to 0.4 times 0, 18. It will go to 18.3 into 10 to the power 6 ampere per division. So values are 19.7 into 10 to the power minus 6, 18.3 into 10 to the power minus 6, next 18.3 into 10 to the power minus 6. So mean value is 19.7 plus 18. 19.7 plus 18.3 plus 18.3 divided by 3 is equal to
Ma'am, today
divided by 3 is equal to 18.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 ampere per division. So the result will be the resistance of the galvanometer is equal to 110.9 ohm and the figure of merit of the pointer galvanometer is equal to 18.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 ampere per division. Now hence the figure of merit of galvanometer is completed. Close.